It's a 2015 Chrysler 200. The composure, the presence, and the comfort of this 200 will sweep you away. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, keyless enter and go, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com reports in crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 200 sedan earned the top score, good across all categories. Accordingly, the car is an IIHS top safety pick. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.